Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my everyday simple makeup look when I don't feel like doing foundation. So first I am going to start off with my brows, and I just like to brush them up like that. And I'm not using pomade today.
Mommy.
Try to zoom in so you guys can see. Don't worry about how rough it look right now because I'm gonna clean it up with the concealer. So that is okay. And then I am going to use this. And then I like to brush the inside a little bit. Make it look a little more natural. Boom. Then I'm going to take this side. I'm gonna use my NYX palette. I'm going in with this. Sometimes I use this, sometimes I use this color. So I'm just gonna clean up that arch. And then I like to rub it in with my fingers. Same with the other side.
Mommy, I bought.
This is not the angle brush I usually use. This one is very stiff, but couldn't find my other one. So we gotta make it work. Make it work, make it do what it do. All right. So then, shoot. Okay, some of that same concealer and put it like underneath my eyes, because underneath my eyes are like very dark. And then I would take the beauty blender, kind of blend it out a little bit. This is literally what I do every day, almost every day, when I have the time. Especially if I'm not wearing a hat. If I'm wearing a hat, I don't really too much care about doing my eyebrows or anything else because they're hidden. And then I'll put a little on top. Then I'll blend it. Blend it. blend it. And now my eyes are cleaned up. Cleaned up. So then I'll take my contour brush, contour my cheek, looking like a baby kid. Take my contour brush, contour my cheeks just a little bit. And then the other side. Hold on, Josie. Then do the other side. And then I like to take my, this was from my Anastasia powder. And then I'm gonna take the Juvia's. And I like to go on this palette. And I'm going to mix this in this color. Just put a little bit on my cheeks. A little bit on my nose. And then sometimes I like to take a little bit and put it right underneath my brow. This is very easy and simple, you guys. When you don't feel like doing all that extra foundation and no. And then sometimes I like to put it in a corner. Ooh. Be careful with doing this. See, like it gives you that really, really, really natural look. And then I'm gonna take that same eyeliner brush and I'm gonna use it for my lips. Let me get up close for this part. Why do I keep looking like a baby kid? Like, God dang. It's because this shirt is too big for me.
Yeah.
Outline my lips. And then I'm gonna go in with this Stay Matte liquid lip color that I got from Walgreens. I'm trying to see like what, Raw Embrace. I'm gonna go in with that first. And then I'm going to go over it with this gloss color. I don't see it. This is from Rimmel. And I got this from Walgreens as well. And then I'm gonna put these lashes on that I also got from Walgreens. And while I'm putting the glue on my lashes, I'm going to touch up my baby hairs. after these dry for a little bit. And I am using Duo. I usually use the one in the blue, that the one with the blue words that turn white, but what is, it's okay. Whatevs. So while those are drying, I'm gonna try to touch up my baby hair just a little bit. I don't gotta do too much. Be careful with this stuff. Don't use too much. Just wipe it off with the towel. And I'm gonna just leave it like that. That's cool. Hold on, because I don't like that white stuff. Alright, so I'm putting my lashes on. They should be close to dry. Let me do this off camera. And I think I'm gonna put a little black eyeliner. Do I want to? I don't know if I want to. I think I like it without the black eyeliner. And I'm gonna do this a little bit. See how like cute it still looks, and I don't even have on foundation. Like, you don't have to do the whole foundation thing all the time. Like, don't get me wrong, I love the foundation look and the effect it gives when you're just so glamorous. But when you just on the go and when you want to do something quick, just do that. Just, oh, and you know what I forgot to do? Sometimes I usually put like a little bit of eyeshadow, like a nude eyeshadow on top of my eyelids, but really, I don't need that because it looks cute how it is. So I was going to put some black eyeliner underneath here, but I'm not even gonna do it because I like how it looks right now. So this is the look. This is my everyday. Literally, this is the same process I do when I do not feel like doing foundation. Little contour, little bit of highlight, contour on my whole, not contour. I conceal my eyes, do my eyebrows, do my lips and my eyelashes, and that's it. Call it a day, and boom, we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Give me some ideas below, like video ideas below, what you guys want to see in my next video. Stay tuned, because I will be uploading more and more. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers. Right now, I think think I'm at 400 something. But the goal is to get to 500 and 1,000. So don't forget to like, share, comment. And thanks for watching. Bye.